Today we're talking about a question that comes up a lot in finance. What is the maximum amount of money you can deposit into a bank account? Specifically, what's the maximum deposit allowed per client at TotalBank? A lot of people think the answer is simple, just the FDIC insurance limit of $250,000. But that's not quite right. While the FDIC does insure your deposits up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each ownership category, that's not a limit on how much you can deposit. It's a limit on what the government guarantees you'll get back if the bank fails. TotalBank has a much higher limit for its deposits. According to their official FAQs, the maximum amount allowed per client is $1 million, or $1 million. This is a combined limit that includes all of a client's accounts, specifically their money market accounts and certificates of deposit. This limit is in place for several reasons. For one, it helps the bank manage its own risk and liquidity. A sudden influx or withdrawal of extremely large sums of money can impact a bank's financial stability. Having a set limit helps them maintain a predictable and stable portfolio of deposits. It also relates to the bank's internal policies and the types of products they offer. For example, their money market accounts have a high deposit limit, but they also have a minimum to open and a minimum to earn the highest rates. These limits and minimums are designed to attract a specific type of client and manage the accounts in a way that is profitable and sustainable for the bank. But what if you have more than $1 million you want to deposit? You're not out of options. While you can't put it all in one account at TotalBank, you can still use the bank's services. The most common solution is to work with a financial advisor or the bank itself to structure your deposits in a way that maximizes your FDIC insurance coverage across different accounts and ownership categories. You could have a joint account with a spouse, which would effectively double your insurance coverage to $500,000. You could also set up a trust or business accounts, each with its own separate FDIC insurance limits. Some banks also participate in what are called insured cash sweep programs. These programs automatically move your excess funds to other partner banks, all of which are FDIC insured, so your entire balance remains protected. This is a strategy often used by high net worth individuals and businesses to keep large sums of cash, both accessible and fully insured. While the FDIC insurance limit is $250,000, the maximum deposit per client at TotalBank is actually $1 million, covering a combination of their money market and CD accounts. If you have more than that, there are still plenty of ways to keep your money safe and accessible through smart financial planning and understanding how bank accounts and insurance work.